Welcome to New Mobile. Today, we delve into the Infinix Note 40, a smartphone that has garnered attention for its blend of design, performance, and affordability. Design and display. The Infinix Note 40 showcases a sleek and lightweight design, weighing approximately 190 grams and measuring 7.8 millimeters in thickness. Its 6.78-inch AMOLED display features a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1300 nits, offering vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. The near bezel-less design ensures an immersive viewing experience, making it ideal for media consumption and gaming. Performance. Under the hood, the Note 40 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset, coupled with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. This configuration ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance for daily tasks and gaming. The device runs on Android 14 with Infinix's XOS 14 skin, providing a user-friendly interface. Camera system. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 108 megapixels triple rear camera setup, which delivers detailed and sharp images. The 32 megapixels front-facing camera ensures high-quality selfies and supports features like dual video recording and super night mode, enhancing low-light photography. Battery and charging. The Note 40 houses a 5000 mAh battery, supporting 45W wired charging and 20W wireless charging. This ensures quick recharging and extended usage, catering to users with demanding lifestyles. User feedback. User reviews highlight the Note 40's impressive display and design. However, some users have reported concerns regarding battery durability and heating issues during usage. Conclusion. The Infinix Note 40 stands out as a compelling option in the budget smartphone segment, offering a rich feature set at an accessible price point. Its combination of a high refresh rate display, robust camera system, and fast charging capabilities makes it a noteworthy contender for those seeking value without compromising on essential features. Thank you for watching New Mobile. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in mobile technology.